Alright guys, this is just another example of what we did yesterday. So dis maar net weer 'n voorbeeld van hoe om hierdie trigonometrie reëls toe te pas. Kom ons herinner net gou onsself. So ons het vir sin, we have sine, and the rule for sine is the opposite angle, die voorstaande sy op die skynsy. Okay, over the hypotenuse. Cos is the aangrensende sy op die skyns, so the adjacent side, and then we also have tan, which is the opposite over the hypotenuse. Over the adjacent. Okay, so dit is ons reëls wat ons moet gebruik. Nou hierso by nommer voorbeeld 1, vra hulle vir ons in driehoek ABC vind CB. So we have to determine the length of CB. Okay, so what do we have to deal with? We have an angle here, 70 degrees, and we also want to determine the opposite angle of that. So CB is the opposite angle that we are looking for. What other angle do we have? We have the one here that says 12 centimeters. Maar wat se sy is hy nou van die driehoek? Dit is die skynsy. Onthou, die skynsy is altyd oor die 90 grade hoekie. Is altyd oorkant om. So ons het nou die skynsy, we have the hypotenuse, and we need to find an opposite side. So it's the hypotenuse, skynsy, en die oorstaande. So daarom weet ons gaan moet sin gebruik. Okay, so the sine of 70 degrees will therefore be equal to the opposite, which we don't know, but that is CB, over the hypotenuse, en dit is 12. So om vir CB alleen te kry, sê ek dan nou 12 maal die sin van 70 grade is gelyk aan CB, en dit tik jy nou net so in jou sakrekenaar in. So jy sê dan 12 maal die sin van 70 en dan kry jy 11,28. Ek rond dit nou af, so to 2 decimals. Alright, dan by die volgende voorbeeld, in the next one, we have to determine PQ. Okay, so where's PQ? It's the hypotenuse, dis die skynsy. Onthou die skynsy is die een oorkant die 90 grade. So it's the hypotenuse that we have to determine. What side do we have? We have the 7,2 centimeters here, and we have this angle to work with. Now of this angle, RQ, the 7,2 is definitely the adjacent one. Hy is die aangrensende een, want hy raak hierso aan punt Q. So hy raak ons aan daai hoek. So we have the hypotenuse and we have the adjacent. So therefore we're going to use our cos rule. So die cos van 22 grade is gelyk aan die aangrensend 7,2 over the hypotenuse. And the hypotenuse is the one we don't know yet. This PQ. That's the one we're going to determine. Okay, so what you can do here is you can take PQ over to the other side, then it's going to multiply. So it's going to be PQ maal die cos van 22 is gelyk aan 7,2. En dan om vir PQ alleen te kry, dan vat ons die cos oor. So dan is dit 7,2 gedeel deur die cos van 22. Okay, and that you can also just insert on your calculator. 7,2 divided by the cos of 22, and then you get PQ is equal to 7,77 centimeters. Previous one was also centimeters. Okay, and in these two examples, you had to find lengths of lines. So jy moet lengtes bereken het. So dan gaan jy hierdie metode gebruik as jy lengtes moet bereken.